this guy, he stays in the country and he can't even sleep in his own house, I believe. He's got to sleep outside. He's got to go 80 kilometers away from his home and sleep in the car. And he
But
has
this is,
phoned me. And I want to ask him to please contact you, Davida, to
Dr.
ask your
Rhoda,
advice.
you should. And the thing is, it's not a good idea to sleep in your car because with the battery connected, you're
Yes, and I
exposed
told him.
to
I
all the
told him, yes.
sensors, the
Yeah.
electric fields. So I wouldn't do that.
But this guy is
Um,
hypersensitive, you see.
so Dr. Rhoda, I've written a book, and it's dirt cheap. It's 150 Rand. I issue an online version of it, a PDF version, where I've
Yes.
unpacked it step by step by step what you must do. Because doctors tend to send people to me and say, phone Davida, she'll help you. But then I spend an hour with them on the phone, but they don't realize the amount of things they need to consider. This is not
Yes.
a simple issue, this is a complex issue. But what I've done in this book, I've written it all up. Ola reviewed the book for me, and it really contains a holistic approach to how
What's the
you can
title of the book,
reduce.
please?
It's
What's the title?
navigating EHS,
Thank you.
navigating
I'll write that down.
electrohypersensitivity. Yeah, but I'll
Thank
send
you.
you a link to it, and then you can share that
Thank you
with
so
him.
much.